In Lotto Chart, each drawing is represented as a point on the chart. Sometimes you may want to generate predictions slightly above or below a specific drawing to improve your chances of hitting the right one. That's where draw ranges come in. Draw ranges let you create a sequence of predictions around a chosen point, either above, below, or both, giving you a wider spread of possibilities. Here's how to use it. Switch to Select Point mode. Click on any point on the chart. A pop-up will appear showing the drawing details and a Generate Draw Range button. Click that button to open the Draw Range tool. Choose how many drawings you want to generate above and/or below your selected point, then hit Generate. Lotto Chart will instantly create a sequence of predictions based on your settings. You can also access the Draw Range tool anytime by clicking the Draw Range button on the menu bar and manually entering your target drawing. Whether you're narrowing in on a potential win or covering a wider spread, draw ranges give you the flexibility to expand your strategy. Use draw ranges to take the guesswork out of predicting and get closer to your next winning drawing.